Happy Lunar New Year and Veganuary Day 29. Hi Veggie. Today we're making vegetable pancake or yachejon. This is the year of the snake and it's associated with intelligence, resilience, success, and love, as well as letting go of anger and hate.
Anger leads to hate. Hate leads to suffering.
People who are born in the year of the snake do whatever it takes to accomplish a goal. My goal is to keep 1.5 alive. We need more snake energy in 2025. To start, we will be making a dipping sauce. Combine in a bowl and mix well 30 milliliters of soy sauce, 10 milliliters of rice vinegar, 2 milliliters of sesame oil, and 5 milliliters of sesame seeds, and set aside. Combine 8 green onions, 160 milliliters of leek, thinly sliced, 250 milliliters of zucchini matchsticks, 180 milliliters of onion, sliced, 160 milliliters of peeled sweet potato, thinly sliced, and 125 milliliters of carrot matchsticks. In a bowl, add 375 milliliters of all-purpose flour, 5 milliliters of kosher salt, and 375 milliliters of water. Mix it well with a wooden spoon. Heat a large skillet over medium-high and add 3 milliliters of vegetable oil and swirl it around to coat the skillet evenly. Add batter to the skillet and spread it out evenly. Turn it down to medium and sprinkle some thinly sliced mushrooms on top. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes until the bottom turns crunchy and light golden brown. Flip the pancake and cook for 3 more minutes or until both sides are light golden brown. Flip one more time and cook for another 2 minutes. Transfer it to a large plate and serve right away with dipping sauce. Let's try it. That is amazing. And remember, together the kids can save the world. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.